There are two ways to run Google Ads for your HBC business. Most people only know about one of them. One costs you money every time someone clicks. The other only costs you money when someone actually calls. Big difference, right? Today I will show you both. By the end, you will know exactly which one to start with and why. We will look at 5 things: what search ad is, what local service ads is, and how the price works for each one, how the setup is different, and which one you should pick first. First, let's talk about search ad. This is the normal Google Ads you already know. Text ads on top of the search results. You pick the words, keywords people search for. You pay each time someone click your ad. Let's say you pick the keywords AC repair Houston. Every time someone searches that and click your ad, you pay. Maybe 5 people click, but only one of them calls you. You first pay for all 5 clicks. You are in control here. You choose the words, keywords. You write the ad copy. You set how much you pay per click. Now let's talk about local service ads or LSA. These are the ads right at the very top with a green badge that say Google granted. To get this badge, Google check your business first, your license, your background, and your reviews. Here's the same example again. 5 people see your LSA ad, 2 of them call you. You will only pay for this 2 calls, not for the 3 people who just looked and did not call. Setup is very simple too. You just fill in your service, your area, your hours, then Google builds the ad for you. And number 3, here's the big difference: how you pay. With search ads, you pay every time someone clicks, even if they don't call you. A click might cost you a $5 to $10, and it adds up fast. If people click but don't call, local service ads, you only pay when someone actually call or message you. No call, no charge. That's why LSA feels safer when you are just starting out, less risk of wasting money while you are still learning. And number 4, how setup is different. Setup is different too. Search ads you can start today, no waiting, no approval needed. And local service ads, Google check your license and background fast. This can take a few days. So search ads give you more control, and LSA is easier once it approved. And number 5, which one to start with. So which one should you pick? If your budget is small and you are new to ads, start with local service ads. It's the safer choice for your condition. If you have a bigger budget and want more control, go with search ads, PPC. And here's a tip: many HBC businesses use both. Let's make this simple. Small budget, start with local service ads, or new to ad. LSA is lower risk to test fast, and if you want more control, search ads lets you pick your own keyword. Ready to grow? Run both together for full coverage. That's it. Pick the one that matches where you are right now. So quick recap: search ad, you select the keywords, you pay per click, full control. Local service ads, Google check you fast, you only pay per call, lower risk. New and small budget, start with LSA. Bigger budget, and if you want control, go with search ads, PPC. And if you want to growing fast, then use both. This is the part of starting from zero series. Next, I will show you how to set up your first HBC Google Ads campaign step by step. If you want me to check which option is right for your businesses, just drop a comment or send me a message. I will take a look.